This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 210QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, awning, LP detector, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 210QB is 4,255 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.